the hassles of business had vanished because, ayan, please. Okay? Please clap our hands for one of our Philippine delegates, Mr. Art Ferrer. You know, he is a very great speaker, one of the most successful leaders in the Philippines. He's one of the people who will help you become successful also here. We will train you here in Nigeria. Please clap our hands for Mr. Art Ferrer. Now, another thing is the website will have your own username and password. It's like Facebook, okay? Very easy to control, very easy to open. And lastly, is the business kit. But the business kit here is different, right? Of course, it is new. This is from the Philippines. You will have your own business kit for Nigerians. So these are the inclusions of the package. You just pay 41,188 naira, then you have this. Question, is it value for money? Is it value for money? Is it more than you paid for? Yes. Even if you don't do the business, nothing was lost. Okay? Can you please clap our hands for the package? Now, the greatest benefit that you can have is this. Business opportunity. We have 3 marketing plans. Remember, 3 marketing plans. The first marketing plan, okay, you stay there, huh? The first marketing plan is the binary. The second marketing plan is the uni-level. And the third is stair-step. Now, do you have to choose? No, you don't have to choose. You will earn from these 3 marketing plans simultaneously. And we are the world's first network marketing company, international network marketing company, to have these 3 great marketing plans with their own advantages to be combined in just one company. And you know, we have a hybrid product. We have a hybrid marketing plan. You belong to the right company. You have the great marketing plan. You have a great product. And you belong to the very, very great history of the pioneering stage of Alliance in Motion Global here in Nigeria. You know, number 1, let's talk about the binary first. You know, in the binary, as we can see with the name, BI, buy, it means 2. Bicycle means 2. So for example, who are the first timers? Can you see your raise of hands for the first timers? Okay, ma'am. You're not the first timer anymore. Who are the first timers? Yes, sir. You're the first timer. Yeah. What's your name? You don't mind? No, don't understand. Don't worry. I'll call you later.
I'm Roland.
Roland. Okay, Mr. Roland. Okay, can I call your name? I'll return it to you after. Is it okay? Okay. Mr. Roland, this is you.
Yeah.
Well, if you invested 41,888 naira, you will already have a website, okay? And we call that website the DTC, or Distributor Tracking Center, in which you can see at the binary, when you click the genealogy is like the family tree, okay? You will see left sales group and right sales group. For example, meaning, you know, the maximum income that you can get on our binary system is about 82,890 naira per day. Very small investment, but very huge potential income. How was that possible? Open your minds. Listen to me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Now, how? You just need to sponsor or invite minimum of 2 people. Mr. Roland, can you have 2 people to join under your group the whole lifetime?
Yes.
Who in this room doesn't have 2 people? Introduce contacts. You don't have 2 people? Of course, we all know 2 people. Or except if we forget about our mother and father. Right? Now, your mom and dad are already 2. Okay? Now, understand? So, Mr. Roland, you invite stay is A. By inviting him, according to our binary system, you will have a direct referral fee. Referral fee of $11 per person. Understand? So, you've invited another one, letter B. You've earned $11 from this one. You've invited B. You've earned $11 from this one. And the great thing is, for every person to the left and every person to the right, you will be earning $33. That's what we call the matching sales bonus. Now, of course, A also knows two persons, right? Because he is also a person. Now, he invited C. So, A was the one who earned $11, not Mr. Roland. Because he was not the one who invited C. Do you understand? Now, B also invited his friend D. He also earned $11. This is the question. Mr. Roland, do you know C and D?
No.
Were you the one who invited them? No. But the great thing in our marketing plan, even if you don't know C and D, even if you're not the one who invited them, you will still earn $33. Very clear. Now, what if A invited another one, E? Of course, A wants to earn also, right? So invited another one, $11 also from A. Then he will also earn $33 because he has pair also, left and right. Now, D also invited another one. He invited F. D earned $11. And the great thing is this: even if it's not in a perfect structure, as you can see, okay? Even if they don't join in time, at the same time. For example, this one joins Monday, this one joins on Tuesday. The computer will read one to the left, one to the right. It will also earn $33. Now, this is the key question here. This is the key question. Can you stop A, B, C, E, D, and S from recruiting people, from inviting at the seminar? From sharing the great product, from sharing the great opportunity? You cannot stop them. Right? You cannot stop a good news from spreading. If bad news spreads, how much more good news? Right? You know, Mr. Roland, if this happens to you, you will have a problem. What will be your problem? You will have $33. You will be chased by $33. That's a very big problem. Yeah. When you were sleeping, who's that? $33. That's not what happened to you. Who want to be chased by $33? Raise your hands! Now, question. What if this group on your left already expanded? Let's call this the Lagos group. Okay? Now, what if on your right, the Abuja group? Because these were all from Abuja, and these were all from Lagos. So expanded already. You cannot stop them from expanding already, right? What if, so is it possible, if you cannot control the group already, is it possible that 20 people will join on the left and on the right at the same day? Yes. Is it possible? Yeah. So 20, it should be that your earning is 20 times $33, right? You should be earning $660. But according to our marketing plan, there is a safety net. What is this safety net for? Safety net is to ensure the stability of the company. Because if you are earning, and I am earning, and the company is not earning, what will happen? Bye-bye.